A platform for tourism stakeholders. Bangla Tourism. To see Bangladesh, to know Bangladesh. Tourism. When we say tourism, we only give priority to tourism places which are specific district based or some location based. And most of our tourism based websites usually deal with the tourist destinations, hotels and motels. Here the tourist spots of the remote area are neglected. Also, so far a platform for tourism, e-commerce, tourist and tourist guide, job sector in tourism have not been developed. And most of the residential hotels, transports in our country do not have their website based information. But Bangla Tourism is a platform where every tourist spots including remote areas of the country has been highlighted. It deals with tourism based e-commerce. Tourist guides can register and tourists can find out tourist guides. Tourism related jobs can be posted by employers and job seekers easily find their desired jobs. Tourists and others will be able to describe their travel experience through this site's blog. Lastly, Bangla Tourism is now developing a common web portal to set up separate websites for each residential hotel and transport at a nominal cost. Bangla Tourism target market consists tourist and tourist guide, job seekers and employers in tourism sector, tourism based e-commerce which will specially deal with tourism based domestic heritage products. Women tourism is our another target market and our target tourist guide will be students of university level and unemployed men and women. Presently, Bangla Tourism is trying to develop a common platform for residential hotels and transports. There are many websites which are competitors to Bangla Tourism, but we are different. Bangla Tourism covers tourism-based relation information of 64 districts. It has a platform for tourism-based e-commerce site. It has a platform for tourist-based jobs, trainings, workshops, seminar, etc. It has a platform for announcing tour events. It is a platform for tourist and tourist guides. Bangla Tourism has online-offline system for tourist guide, and Bangla Tourism has performance rating system for tourist guide. Ratings will given by tourists. Our revenue model. Currently, we don't have any funding received or requested. Our service charges vary on different platform posting. We have started our new platform from where we can earn from e-commerce, from online job, set up separate websites for each residential hotel and transport at a nominal cost from a common web portal, from hotel and ticket booking, from tour event management, and lastly from Bangla Tourism YouTube channel. Our vision: describe each of the tourist destinations of every district of the country with video images and Google Maps. Create a platform for tourists and tourist guides to create interest in youth and reduce unemployment. Expansion of e-commerce of tourism-based domestic heritage products. Promoting tourism through tourism-based employment platforms. Initially, the goal is to bring hotels, motels, resorts and transports into one web portal. And lastly, to transform Bangla Tourism into an institutional structure. Thanks everybody for watching this video.